There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
So also, daily bullish, we go with the daily. Here we have some gap, meaning that we probably have some gap fill in the future. So the gap fill is when the price comes back and fill this gap. So yeah. So this was a correction. In London, we have nice big moves. I took this trade. If someone was on my Instagram story, he saw that I took some big, okay position here. I exited here and took some money. So now I am no longer in minus from Belgrade. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Here I'm looking for resistance to 4. If this one will not do, this one is the next one. The same stuff here. I want to see nice closure above, big back, and boom, kalaboom. Okay. I know this was fast, but you're not here first time. If you are here first time, I recommend you to use demo for today. If you're here like more time, like 2 or 3 times right now that I'm explaining the same stuff over and over, you can probably have real trades. Oh, nicely. Nice pushes up. Okay. We'll see. Maybe we'll take this trade. Okay, so weekly on the gold start that. Oh, poorly. Okay, so no volume yet. Today also important. You have bank holiday on USD dollar, meaning that the dollar will not move as it usually does. So it's gonna happen it can happen some manipulation. It can happen that only we don't get enough retracement, or that we don't get respect from any zone, or we get too much respect from any zone. So bank holidays are like, how do you say it? Like, how do you call it? When you get dressed as a monster or something scary. Halloween. They're the Halloween of the market. So that on that day, everything strange that could happen happens. Daily, weak bullish. As you can see now here, we are kind of back into the range that we left before. I don't know what will happen here because the price is pretty choppy for me. So I don't like this. I don't like this. And for me, we are here in some range. So nothing to see right now, and probably today nothing extremely could happen because of the bank holiday. Anyway, we have 30 more minutes. We cannot, or we are in the no trade zone. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so the problem I'm having right now is that this 50-minute candle has no bottom wick. That means that maybe this candle can drive straightly down or straight up. So we have the first problem here. We will see 4 more seconds. Yeah, I didn't get a notification again. Okay. So we want to see nice wick back, probably in some area like this. That could be fine. Stuff like this. Yeah. How much is that? This is the open, 5 pips. Yeah, that would be great. So if we get like 5 pips, I think we're winning already. So we're gonna place our pendings here. Yeah, let's go. Take profit here, 8 pips stop loss. So I think that this week is big enough. 4 pips. Let's get this 4. Okay. So I'm placing trade on the flip now. And let's see if we get nice entry. So yeah. The touch here would be great, but if it doesn't happen, doesn't mean this is the worst trade. Usually just means that he grabbed the money from these pockets, as I call them, and it will fly. So let's wait and see. Patience always pays. So here we have nothing. Maybe we could, yeah, this one. This could be a nice entry. Could be a nice entry, but not, yeah, 10 pips. So this is not, I don't think this one is too safe, and 4 hour is still not with us. Now it will be. So yeah. Nico, soon. Just give me a few seconds because we're gonna be in trade soon. So if you're not, I'm in trade. I'm here inside. I will move my stop loss to this 4 pip low. And let's go. 2 pips already. 4 pips stop loss and take profit of what? 70 pips. Deal. Let's see what is going to happen. Okay, so far this was nice. Nice move up. The only problem I see right now, okay, let's go for the problems. Because he may move. Now we will not move our stop loss, but we may have something here. Let's see, let's check. If the price is clean, oh damn, this should fly. This should fly, motherfucker, this should fly. Because we have, as you can see here, we have 0 problems. We have straight line, so we should see the same above this. So this actually could be great trade. So yeah, let's just wait. We have no reason to do anything before that. So just let it drive. When we go, so the plan is when we are 13 pips in pepper, we move super in pepper plus. Okay. And on 17 pips, we move on. Yeah. Let's wait right now. I hope the volume kicks in. If not, we will see what we can do. If it's something to manage, something to do, but this is like 4 pips only. So I think a long way, still a long way. So don't get too cocky, don't put on position. This can still turn into the loss. Today, I just, this is the only trades I did on the funded. So that's why I'm only doing that. 12, 5, yes. Yes, no. Big back, yes, yes, yes. 7. We'll see. Risk reward was 4.3. 3 New York. What we can do better, we will see. I think that if I would be like, this would be some standard trade, let's say, I would move my stop loss to like 8 pips and wait, because this would be the correct way to do this. But since we had such a nice push up, and now if we get to break below this, we may even see stop losses. Yeah, 3 pips. So let's see, let's wait. What else we have here? Same stuff here. Yeah. Okay. So we are a little low on volume, but this may change soon. So yeah, let's see. 9 more minutes to close, 10 more minutes to see if this trade will work or will not. I think it's time that everything works and we make some money. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It doesn't affect me. So in Friday, right, in Friday we didn't have the stream, but you won't believe it, we had 2 wins. I went to see backtest and we would probably have 2 wins, at least one at least. So yeah, for those who were stuck in break even or a little loss would be covered. Here is the 1 hour. Okay. Yeah, not looking good. But sometimes this is how it is. I have a lot of, the spread now is better. I had like 3 pips spread. So that means the volume is kicking it, but maybe not in our way. Because the problem also here is that we could have correction because of this no wick. So that's why I put stop loss immediately. Yeah. So the stop loss was hit. That's why I put stop loss immediately to 4 pips. We lost 4 pips. That is in money or what? Minus 21. 4. It will come another, don't worry about it. But yeah, sometimes volume kicks in fast and we get straight take profit. What can I do better? Could have stop loss in 8 pips. Okay. Okay. Yeah, if this shit flips now, fuck you. So yeah, we had moved stop loss here and now we were just kicked out. And we will see. We will see. Maybe we did good, maybe we did bad, but maybe we're just unlucky. Yeah, waiting for next candle close. So now I need to answer Nino because he asked us what? The pips. Yeah, maybe. Did this one break? Maybe we can have re-entry. No. 30. Klik na polovici, mora biti nas je to sfukano. Okay, we will see. If you did the right thing, if you lost like 4 pips and that's okay. If you didn't lost 4 pips and so please always use stop loss. Don't be a hero because those trades can hurt really, really, really much. They can make you money, they can lose you as much, if not even more money. So yeah. That's it. Okay, gold. So here's what he said. No Q&A. This. Use the index going down, more in downtrend, but gold going also down. Kahito, umet na pumpane dol gold down. Nico, as I said, currently you have US holiday. US holiday. That's why if you cannot see, the euro is also retracing because you have less pressure on dollar and more pressure on dollar and also on gold. So yeah, that's that. That is that. Cool. Cool. Okay. So we had the first loss. We lost. We had the first loss, and we already lost the half of our streamers, watchers. But this is how it is, guys. We know, we felt it. We know that the market could be strange, that it can hurt us in the X, or how do you call it? How could you say it? But it will pay us nicely. Don't worry. I mean, I'm not worried about it, so why should you? If you're using the right settings, then there's no problem. Why I still have muted MT4? Yeah. 8 pips. Fuck. Okay, as you can see right now, so we touched this money pocket. So maybe our entry was a little too fast, but because we closed at 4 pips, yeah, we closed at 4 pips, at least I did, we couldn't lose the rest of the 4 pips. So in that way, we profit. Never lose the full amount, always lose the less than you're willing to risk, okay? But yeah, so this is all due to the bank holiday, everything together. So yeah, the trade I see right now in the euro is the, oh yes, not anymore, okay. But this could be it, yeah, I thought this would be it, but I guess it's not, yeah. But this one, maybe it's something here that I don't see. That I don't see yet. Maybe I will, but this is like really clear range. So this was fundamental move. So the news did that move. And usually when we see that, we get a really, really nice fill up. And maybe we will on the next candle. So nothing is lost. In Forex, you're just exchanging money. So sometimes the market is winning and sometimes you're winning. So this is all it is. We had weak here. Maybe that's it. No, we had close above. Yeah, I think we had close above. Anything else? Yeah, this zone. Okay. Yeah, we had close above. So that could not be a problem. That was not the problem. As you can see, we would hit stop loss. So look, what would you rather do? Have 8 pips stop loss or 4 pips stop loss? It just didn't go. So look, it could be like 10 pips, 12 pips. Doesn't matter. It didn't go. It didn't fly. It didn't fly. So yeah, no problem for us. We're gonna take this as a learning part. Maybe somewhere is some hidden part that we can learn from. But I think that, yeah, maybe the big move was the problem. But it is what it is. So yeah, waiting for next move. So as you can see, even this money packet didn't hold, it just fall through. I hope there was a way we could find some confluences that we would get out here early, but there wasn't. So what could you do? What could you do? Even this one has a problem, so yeah, probably will wait for London. Yeah, so as you can see here, we have a lot of stepenica, or as you say in English, a lot of resistance here. So yeah, I was looking for entry here, but I saw this candle is really weak, so I was going, yeah, this could flip down, and it did. And then later on it flied, so yeah. This is it. Yeah, see, bounce from here. Now it's back. Now we can see. Now we can hear MT4. Okay. Okay. So Nico just came and asked who is here. Well, now this isn't working. Huh. Okay. Okay. Crazy day, I guess. Crazy day. Crazy day. So how is your day? Do you have rain? I have some rain. It's getting cold outside. Summer is over. So, yeah. So here we have too much resistance and we don't have space in between. So I want it to close above here, and then maybe we can have a nice push up. But we need volume, and since the bigger volume provider is dollar, right? The dollar. What do you think? Huh? Why we don't have this luxury? Oh, I muted myself. Okay. Okay. Now everything is working back. Okay. What just happened? Still don't know. Oh, let's push up. So yeah, here, if you look at the price, like this is the price action 101. So we had big moves and we had exhaustion. And because we had wicks in both sides, see, because we had this. So what was happening is the market is trying to accumulate enough to grow across this zone that was on daily. Probably here, the biggest mistake we made was this candle didn't have a wick. So yeah, something I can work on. Yeah. But currently I'm working on some more strategies for you because I see the strategy, the entry I took in the morning. So yeah, I'm working with that, like with and I will tell you the reason why I'm working with that and how I'm doing that. But I just I did some experiment for this May because the market was so slow, so not much of the opportunity was there. So what I did is like experiment a little paper trade, back test, stuff like that. And I found out that volume in market has jumped like a big stuff. And I think that, let's say in 1 week, we probably could see back trades to 1 to 10, 1 to 7, 1 to 5 with a bit lower win ratio, but they make us so much money. So yeah. You will see. Yeah. I know that for now, this call is in minus. I mean, on this account with this strategy, I'm currently in minus. In May, I think I was like 4%. Yeah, 4%. But this stuff happens, you know. Sometimes you get it, but the most important stuff is that I did some mistakes here. I didn't trade it Friday, but Friday would give me 2 wins, so that would be 1%. So that would be like minus 3% and stuff like that. And some trades you just miss because they're not in your plan, and some trades you don't miss. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have no excuses. I know that the months that strategy doesn't work, and the same is for the robots. You know, the month comes when strategy of the robots doesn't work because the market is alive. So why expect it to work perfectly? You know, at least that's for me. That's my point of view. Don't still know how Panther is doing. So we'll need to check that. But yeah. Sanya, how is your trading going? You're still on vacation in Reka, or are you free yet? Yeah, look, I must kick it out. Sanya, how is vacation? It's over or still going? Today is the last day on holiday. Nice. So you must enjoy. You must enjoy. Little margarita and trading. Nice. Good way to enjoy. Good way to enjoy. Okay. So yeah, as we talked about, as you can see, this was probably it. So here we had like a big pressure. Like if you watch this as one big candle, you could say that this was a retracement that it needed to make, so we can make this. So that's why I talk to you all the time about you don't trust, and I did this mistake today. You don't trust a candle without wick. You don't trust it because they are not natural, they are extremes. So yeah. Yeah. Great, 4 more minutes. I think if we get night closure above, we can still have 16 pips. Yeah, maybe we can get 10 pips here and we cover the losses. We make some profit. So yeah, gold overall is in uptrend. If someone is thinking about trading gold, so this is the uptrend. This is the like what is happening. and 30 minutes. So we have some liquidity cat up here. So maybe this would be a good, entry point. Some of you, if you want to take this trade, maybe not. This is daily. Yeah, this is what we talked about. So the quality is very funny because probably every time frame, every Asian, London, New York, the price go and touches daily and then flips and touches daily and flips and touches daily and flips, and sometimes it continues, sometimes it's not. So yeah. Also, we have nice setup here, so we can see we are not totally lost. That's why I am eager, so I'm not down with that loss, because I think that we will get it all back and even more. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah, good. 2 more minutes. Let's see. We got some volume, I see. Setup. Misliš kot računalnik pa to? Ali desk? Kak? Dva računalnika. 60-inčna. 60-inčna, sem prav rekel. Ne, 27 diagonala. So yeah. Ne, samo dva ekrana, pa stacionarc. So yeah, the Luca is asking me here in private. I don't know why he's not using his chat, but what setup I'm using for trading. And I just said to him that I have a stationary desktop and 2 screens, and that's it. I got used to 2 screens very much, so now it's hard to get back. But yeah, this is it. So yeah, today I think I see 2 setups. So this is one still valid, and this is second one. So when those 2 are token or missed or stop loss hits, we are done for today. So yeah, this is all I'm waiting for today. And yeah. Yeah. Wait просто split. %70% and rising. See, this is the funny stuff is this can happen to every single currency. So 70% inflation is for 70% you get. So you have 1K, now it's not worth now it's not worth 1K anymore. Now it's not even worth 500 euros. So yeah, we have quick back. Yeah, easily. It's missing there. So Luca asked if the inflation like that, like in Turkey, happen to euro. I think that euro, as it is right now, it's the worst currency in the world, the worst. I think the first one, if the global, this is my opinion, if the global market crashes, euro will probably go to zero. Not to zero, but the inflation will probably, in Eurozone, inflation will be so big that the new currency will be deployed in no time, guaranteed. Because I know that they have new currency ready from 2008 in Swiss banks. Maybe that's why, yeah. I think the euro is the weakest. Euro is the, like, it's Eurozone, the business is great and everything, but euro is the least, how to say it, is the third biggest currency. Yeah, actually not the fourth biggest, because the pound is bigger. And see, but the problem with euro is that when you had America, they all came together and then created dollar. So no one joined this pool. But in Europe, we have constantly someone joining this pool now with the Ukraine now, and every currency, every country that joins euro, it makes it weaker and weaker. And that Swiss doesn't want to do. So yeah, Sanya, what year for the new currency? Sanya, if I would know that, I would be a goddamn trillionaire. No, Croatia doesn't want euro. Croatia has signed a paper that they need to have euro if they want to be in EU. So, to je to. So, yeah, I know. But you should have, if your country is postponed, so your country is postponing to join euro because it must use all of its reserves from kuna. So when the reserves will be depleted, then it will work. So yeah. Yeah, I think the Eurozone is probably weak. I mean, that's my opinion. I mean, yeah, the economy could be strong and everything, but the Eurozone is so dependable. Like, it depends on let's say, Russia, Ukraine, Africa, like I mean, if you go read French, French is, how do you say it? French economy. It exists only because of the Africa. So that's why that's why the French has the biggest economy in Europe, not the Germany. Germany has the cars. So, and when Germany is selling to America, that's when they were the biggest. But when in 2020 all stopped, now right now they're not the biggest anymore. It's the French, because the French is working with Africa, and we get so much money and everything from Africa that's why the France is the most important country in the euro. Yeah. Okay. Michec, hey, Michels, hey. Hey. Scotches comments. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just finishing some stuffs with Panther also. So 3.0. We had great improvements, not as much as we hoped, but yeah, they will do. We brought down the stop losses. So in the whole scheme, we went from maximum stop loss 240 pips. We went down to 150. So that's one way to do it. So now the risk on 500 was 6%, and now it's 4%. I think it's 4. Yeah. No. We went from 4% on 500, so with 0.01 because the minimum loading we use, to 3%. So we did that. We brought more constant profit every month, so less negative months. So yeah, maybe I can show you something. Wait a second. No. So yeah, this is, yeah, I can show. I think I show this. I mean, you will see it anyway. So yeah, this is like the 3.0, the first update that's coming up. As you can see, now we have less and less, like one negative month. This is not the full May. This is the only, I think, the first 2 weeks. So yeah, 6%, 3, 6, 4. So yeah, on the long term, easily. But this is like I said, this is the first half of the update because we are not putting the updates up and then later we see how we can improve them. We want to see how much we can improve them before they're up. So yeah, that's the main reason why we are so slow. Because we want to test everything, don't want to be surprised. We don't want that you find a problem. We want to find it before you. I want to fix it before you. So yeah, not a lot of news. Entertainment news. Is Exus NZ first time count balances and change fee. Nice. Nice. Six more minutes, nothing happened here. Now, if this 4 hour was like here and here, and we would see nice big moves up, so, and we would say, we would probably wait for close above and go to sell. Potential buy 160, 90, 20, 160, 160, 90, 20. Yeah, if it comes that way. 90, southwest. Well, we will see. But for me, if so this is like the first push, the second push, and if this low is broken and the second low is great and this one is low is broken, I think this will be sell. So don't know about it. Maybe yes, maybe no. We'll see. We will see. So we'll probably have to wait for because right now we don't have news which would bring us the volume. We have the 1431, but this is not the fundamental. I mean, so we have two types of news. Yeah, I have two types of news. One type is the fundamental, so meaning that is affecting the economy, And when this type of news comes, so when this type of news that affects the economy comes, you see push, and then market continues in that way. But if it's the type of the economy, the type of the news, like current account, this is like the trading news. So like the news, how hedge funds are performing, stuffs like that, how the Congress, something like everybody who trades performs on the big scale, then we can see big moves. And what usually happens is we see big move opposite of the trend. So this is buy. You can see big move opposite of the trade, and then we get back into the line with the market, with the trend. It takes a couple of minutes, couple of hours maybe, but those kind of moves are, let's see. So let's say I need to go a little higher. So let's say 1 hour time frame. Just a second. So this would be it, yeah, this is it. So like you had a big move up, you have like big pressure from buyers, and then you have quick move down. So this would be this kind of news, and then market continues its way as nothing happened. So yeah, this is how stop loss hunters are made and stuff like that. So now we know. Now we know. So making another resistance here, which is not great because it kind of ruins our plans. Yeah, okay. Back to the reading. Minutes. Okay, wait. We have some movement here. Seems like nothing will happen, but maybe it finally will. Because right now I know when we get close above here, we have so much pressure now here that it must push. But it may happen now, may happen later. We may even see that this one candles like this closes like, let's say bearish, and the next one closes here, and that will mean no entry for us. That's what we have next. We want to see a little further. Oof, nothing too beautiful. Nothing too beautiful. And here we have like the shitty price action, like this, 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 this. Yeah, maybe a problem. Maybe not, maybe yes. Let's see. We'll see. Five seconds. On my MT4, it's not crossing, so I have nothing to worry about. AUDGPY, same stuff, nothing to worry about. Gold, same stuff, nothing to worry about. I think we have another 50 minutes, and that's why we didn't enter on EURUSD, because you see too much resistance, it's a big problem. So yeah, just so you know. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna take some time to read now, and sorry. if you have some questions, ask them in the chat. I will respond. So yeah, here Matej is just sending me this. So this is like with 0.5%, average yearly 100% profit with 6% drawdown maximum. As you can see, we improved win ratio. Consequences losses are lower and consequences are a little bigger. We have more trades. That's also important. And yeah, April, May. This is the half of May because we have like 5% now. So yeah, this is it. This is with so right here now you will need to be real careful with risk because this is 1% risk. On average, it probably doesn't make 400, maybe 200, but yeah, maybe even 400. Yeah, maybe. But what I like is that you have only one negative month. So yeah, let's keep it up. Yeah. No questions asked. Am that good or you're just that disappointed? That not every trade is a winner. Oops. Yeah. It gets better, don't worry. But it's strange, I need to say that right now I had more success in London with this strategy than in New York. So yeah. So just unlucky, I guess. Nope. Yeah. Ba, 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 Something great is coming our way. Something beautiful is going to happen. Da, 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 da. Du, 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 du. Du, 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 du. Yen to weaken? No, the yen is the strongest currency, so I don't expect it to weaken. I expect it to grow, depending what China will do. But yen has so much gold backing it up that I don't think so. Yeah, but it seems like it, but depending, you know, like the weak is the strongest in a few years now, so I don't know. You don't see, so like the strongest, how to say it? Okay, okay, let's do this. We have this, yeah. This is the chart. It was the monthly edge capital is 1 month. When the euro was here, let's say on the top. Yeah, let's say it like that. When the euro is here, so euro was at its top. Would you buy euro or dollar? Just dollar. Yeah, why? Because you expect that sometimes back dollar will return. Yeah, the strength of the dollar in some years, it will return. So applying that logic means that the yen is stronger because right now it's losing because everybody is putting money where the weakest is because it may bounce back. Not the weakest in inflation, but the weakest because if I come with euro and so this chart, let's say if I come with euro, my money is euro. What I want to buy something in USD. Okay. So if we do this like on GPY, yeah, it seems like the GPY is weak, but the weak one is British. Because which one I am buying? With yen, I'm buying British. That's why the price is going up. I hope you get that. So that it's like the Bitcoin. Yeah, the more Bitcoin it buys, the more Bitcoin you buy. Bitcoin is what? It's going to get cheaper or more expensive. Like let's just say, if everyone is buying Bitcoin, will the price go up or down? Of course, up. Okay. What will happen with dollar? Dollar go down, yeah? Okay. Now the same stuff is, but the main part is you're selling dollar, so dollar is going down, you're buying Bitcoin, Bitcoin is up. But the same philosophy applies. Bitcoin may be the strongest here, but the biggest potential profit is not in Bitcoin, is to sell Bitcoin to dollar and buy Bitcoin here. So maybe I stated wrong. So it's not as which is strong and which is weak, which has the biggest potential because you will never know which currency is strong. The strong currency is what? The one who is not affected about inflation. And if you were here the first 2 weeks that we thought we look at the inflation and we will look it again. So inflation. For this one. Okay. 100 yens. Starter today. Look at this. 60% only. 600%. Okay. But annual, only yearly inflation is 2.78%. Altogether 500%. Okay. Let's see. Is the USA. Okay. Let's go with the USA. Look. So now an annual is also bigger. So now which one is stronger? What do you think? USD JPY, USD or JPY? Yeah. And look at the chart. So we saw that the yen is the strongest. But the chart is showing us up because the biggest potential to profit is not with yen, but what you can buy with yen, which is dollar. So I hope that helps. So yeah, that's at least that's how I think. So it maybe not be 100% correct, but yeah, but yen is not weak. Yen is strong. That's why you want to buy with yen. So you don't want to buy yen, you want to buy with yen. Yen is strong. Whatever you say, yen is strong. Look at this. This is the real chart. This is which is weak and which is not. This is the real chart. This is just who is stronger, let's say, or who is more used, who is more bought, and who is more sold. Yes, yes, it is, but not in the way you're describing it. So let's just chat. It's all connected, yes, but I mean, economy is a little bit more complicated than you think. So I mean, the question you're forming. So I guess I cannot explain it. So on the long run, market game. Don't know how to explain it otherwise. So I don't know. I would just say I don't know. It's not that I don't know the info. I just don't know how to explain it that it makes sense. Like it makes sense for me, but if it doesn't for you, so that's good. That's good enough. It's not simple. This is good. This is it's not like, yeah, gold. Like I could say the same for gold, you know, gold is strong. Okay, how strong is gold? Okay, let's say. I mean, just to make you, to give you some sense, how strong is gold? How strong is gold? How strong is gold? Okay, if you bought it here from the start, you made like 230%. Okay, 280. Okay. This is like 2001. If you bought it in 2020, when the gold was strong, yeah, I'm just elaborating. So when the gold was strong, you bought in the COVID, you made 20%. Okay, but you need to sell here. You need to sell here if you want to have those 20%. Okay. So if you're holding gold from here, let's say gold from here, is gold strong? Is gold stronger than dollar? This is all the questions I have. So okay, then it's strong. That means that, or either I'm not understanding your question correctly or something like that, but yeah, either not understanding your question correctly or I'm not explaining it good enough. Yeah. It's okay. If this works for you, if the gold for you is strong, then go for it. I would never buy gold, not at this pace anyway. Buy when it closes above. Gonna buy when it closes above. Yeah, probably. Super cool. This is so good. So yeah, AJ getting ready. If we got a nice close up, which is currently happening. Yeah. Okay, just wait for a little. Here it didn't close and here it did. Okay, I'm entering now. AJ. So I'm entering with this high. 8 pips stop loss and take profit. Sorry guys, didn't saw that one that fast, but the risk is good. The risk reward is good. So yeah. Didn't saw that happen that fast. That was fast one. Okay. Usually I don't trade such impulsives, but this one should be good. I think the take profit is like 13 pips. Yeah, I have 13 pips here. So okay. Let's do this. Sorry for no heads up again. But yeah, thank you, Luca, for reminding me. Wasn't expecting. I was looking at this because this one has a lot of potential, but wasn't expecting this. So yeah, we have the clean range. We have impulsive, even though we didn't have the weak back, but I think that will be okay. Should be. Happen many things. Yeah, status 8, take profit 13, super win, 14, 0. Yes. Yes. 1.6. Okay. Not the best. Okay. Super. Thank you, Luca. Great save. But here, I know that close here is not seen, but on the MT4 for me, it closed above. But usually, yeah, I'm looking for a close, at least 1 pip above. So, but today I think it's such market that this could fly because it accumulated so much. So like here is all the money, and now the you have a hole in the dam, and see this. So yeah, let's see. So the first 10 pips is the first goal. This is it. And yeah, okay. Little impulsive entry. I was more intrigued with this one. This one would be better if it's sold here. But yeah, okay. Seems like I slept a little. Yeah, but not taking. So we're not trading. Not trading gold in these zooms. Not yet. Sure. So we have here nice structure. Big move, pull back. I'll be back. Now we need to clear this, and if this is cleared, we can put stop loss here. So let's wait and see what will happen. But I think this could go straight to take profit. Usually the problem is if you go on this, if it's less than, let's say, 5 pips, it usually turns. But if this one covers, like it lies above, then I think, yeah, if not, we can use probably this indicator. So I don't want to risk it too much because we didn't close above. So if this price comes to here, I will probably close it. Yeah, that means that we will have 2 pips. Better safe than sorry, but yeah. Because we have 1 minute into the red, meaning we have some kind of indication for turn. So yeah, I'm putting stop loss here. So my stop loss is in on that wick. Meaning if it happens, it happens. So at least I have no risk now. So yeah, we'll see. I don't like this setup when you have double reds, because it usually means that this is it. But yeah, the market today, we have bank holiday, New York didn't give us entry, and GBJPY is still not above this. If this one was above this and we couldn't find the entry here, then this would be great. I wouldn't move any stop loss, but because it's not, I'm moving it. So yeah, there we go. I'm closed, I'm out. I did like 2 pips. I think it was like pips. Yeah. But yeah. When you have entry like this, so when you're like impulsive entry or impulsive entry, that's a good word. It's really important that you move stop losses very fast, because you don't know, you don't have enough confirmation. So yeah, we had probably 4-5 pips floating at max, but I banked like, what's this? 1.6, okay. So 1.6 pip. Not a lot, still better than nothing. Better than minus. Yeah. Like I said, this may still turn to be fine, to go up like it does now. But for me, on impulsive entries, I don't play around. So yeah. On impulsive, you go either you close manually as fast as you can. Yeah, you see, that's why. That's the main reason. If you would enter here, then we'd have a nice push, maybe 5 pips. But we entered here without big back. That's why I wanted to do it. So yeah. So why again? Let's go over this again. First off, we don't have close above this for like 1 pip, yeah, like it should. So it should close here, something like that. Okay, that's the first thing. So first thing, yeah, okay. Yeah, something for for some change, yeah. So first thing, we don't have nice close above. Okay, we should have close here. Second thing, we didn't have weak back. Okay, and because we didn't enter on the flip, we entered on the high, as you can see here. That means we don't have any idea. So that means we have 1 confirmation, 2 confirmation, and third. So we are missing three confirmations to be 100% sure that this could play out. Yeah, ticker. So yeah, but I was more interested in this one, so that's why I was waiting. Because this one has a great potential now for sell. This for me. Yep. Could also wait for this, but I don't know. So if this one closes above, so if this one closes like this and have nice big back, we can take this one. Yeah. Even if someone is holding this trade, that is not as bad.
Small candles, so we left it. We left today completely. Nice little sales before one of the retest back at this level, but we didn't get it. Continued down, which is nice. With a mid back
Yeah, that's the main stuff. Why you need to be fast. I need to think. That's why I have 15 minutes. Let's say break, because you need to do the right thing. We could wait now. We could, let's say, lose 8 pips. Yeah, but I don't want that to happen. Because today I am 3 pips in minus altogether. All on this stream, I am 2.4 pips in minus. So we lowered our risk. We lowered our risk altogether. Okay, so we lowered our risk loss from 4 pips to 2.4 pips. Yeah. Of course, if you put it like that, then we have 0.13, 0.5, yeah, 0.15% loss. So that's okay. No. With the bank holiday, usually it is like that, yeah. So yeah, we have some movement now. So if this one closes, that we don't have, so above here, we'll probably skip this trade and can take a next one. Oh, maybe we can. 6 pip, nope. No. So that's why I'm waiting for this one, because this one is better. This one looks way better. Nice. Now it launched. 5 pips. If you would wait for the flip, we would have this 6 pips. Yeah, this will. Now it has a bigger potential to hit, yeah. Still not 100% sure, but yeah. But yeah, I'm waiting. So get ready for a GBP JPY. So this one is done. Yeah. So get ready for this one. This is the planned trade that before was not as much planned. We probably have some small weak back. Okay, we have weak here. You can expect something like this. Let's see. If the wick touches the blue one, I think you can place the trade, but it must close above, yeah, somewhere around here. 20 seconds. Still not take profit. So we did good. We did good. Okay. Okay. So let's just wait. When it closes, wait for the week back, and that's it. Oh. It went without us. So yeah, that's it. Went without us. 50 pips. Oh no, don't know about 50 pips. But you have some resistance here, here, and here, and choppy price here. So I don't know if you can see 50 pips, then go for it. I want to see week back. So the problem now is we have big movements, so stuff like that. And now we had this, and now we can expect this, but this and this, so like high and then low, this low is broken. It is like not good for us. So that's why now we need to wait for this retest. We need to wait. It's like a must right now. Okay. Even if entry in the day later, you would not have 10 pips. So, yeah. That's why the patience, and that's why the actions needs to be accordingly. Interesting. 0.6. There you go. Nice. This one flipped also, but we don't have enough room for our trade to make sense. And this one is taking really, really long. So let's wait for 5 minutes to close. And then we will see if we can enter in any way. But I doubt it. So that would be the moves for today. Because of the bank holiday, I cannot expect too much. But yeah, if you hold that trade, if you didn't exit like I did, maybe you can get those 20 pips. Maybe yes, maybe no. Yeah, like I said, no week back. So this is it. This one went without us, 8 pips. And this one would give you right now 10 pips, not yet. If you would enter on the flip, you have 11 pips. So yeah, AJ was probably good enough to hold, but GJ trick test. 10 pips, yes, but for what cost? So this is it. I'm just waiting for this one to close us. If it goes like above here, then maybe I can take this. And no, this is it. Here on the AJ, I think this is it. I had nice London sessions, so I'm not too worried. Yep. Nice, nice, very good. Very good. Yeah, like I said, sometimes people do something on their own, you know, but still, if it works for you, it works for you. For me, this is not the way to go. I don't like to trade. I want market to be perfect, and this is not. This is something else. So yeah. But right now, even perfect setups went straight to stop loss. So I don't know. Nope, nisem išel noter. AJ, jaz sem šel prej ven, veš, ker je bil nazaj je viknat, tako da naredil higher high, pa low prebal. to the man sell. You. Oh, yeah. So yeah, we didn't get the trade, no wick. I don't trust this shit. So yeah, at least this one gave me a small wick, so that was something, but the wick was later, so that's nothing. 10 pips, something. Don't know what to say. It's bank holiday, so I didn't expect to see much money here. I'm glad that I at least closed some profit. So not everything is lost. Oh, okay. Yeah. So what would that be? 3, 4 pips. So yeah. Not even a week back, man. But unlucky. The market is, I mean, I know this NFT coming, so like I said, I'm not expecting too much. It's Monday, bank holiday. So in that sense, I'm also more careful, more quicker on my feet. And that's it. That's it. The rest will come. So yeah, 6 more minutes. That's why I like London so much, because so many stuff are continued to work, and New York is always like, sometimes it's worked perfectly, sometimes it's not. And now, of course, it's the bank holiday, so yes. So US bank, central bank, if someone read with me before that post or went on the site and read it by himself, you saw they are the biggest volume in the Forex. So if you close the biggest volume in the Forex for a day, what do you think it happens? Yeah, you close the volume, meaning the market cannot move much as you want it to move or expect it to move. Yeah. So maybe this one could be our entry, but if this was like higher, we would have no problem entering here and taking this, take profit, but the zone is right there. So yeah, maybe here could be potential, but just don't know. My crystal ball is not working today, so I don't know. That's a joke, of course. All good, man. It's all good. Take your money, be happy, protect the money you have. That's why broker hates you, because you're not risking too much. Okay, 3 minutes. Seems like nothing's gonna happen, but still. Look at this crazy LDJPY trade. We exit too soon. I exit too soon. Ay, ay, ay. I mean, it's a bitch, you know. Sometimes it flips and goes straight to the stop loss. And sometimes it works perfectly. But this one wasn't even perfect, so yeah, that's why I didn't like it, because it was impulsive, and impulsive usually does. I mean, they work, but like 70% of the time. Yeah, close nii või? Close on imestuke. Bro, what's wrong with this? We don't have close. So like I said, not big close. We didn't have nice week back. We didn't enter into flip. So that was not pretty trade. That was impulsive trade. That was luck. This was like 60% win ratio. We had 60% to win this trade, not anymore. Kai give once. Ja noh, mis ma kedagi tead. Hakkasid Če boš take imel, se ti bo slej ko prej začelo obračati, pa boš škuro tukaj. Še da koš pršel na 10 takih, ko se ti obrne tako kontra. Kaš pa naredil? Čau, Miki. Samo obrne. Pušneš račun, ko neč. Šmed se, to je to. Zato je boljš tako zgubljati po malenku, pa pač pa enkrat na veliko. Ja, to je tako novica, da če ga bo čez porinil. Au. Nope. Nope. Big city. This one is the next only one. But yeah, straight to take profit if the GPY was good and this one didn't go in to take profit. That's why. How I know it was not good setup, because you would get like 11 pips, or if you enter at the flip, if you went in the flip, you get like 13 pips, 12 pips. But yeah, I want that's why I don't like this trade, because it didn't have enough confirmations, and when they don't have enough confirmation, they don't fill the zone, and this is the zone, this range, and that means you're kind of losing on the long run, because your RR is not good, so your risk reward is not good enough. Not good enough. Not good enough. Not good enough. Nice, Panther. 0.5% today. Need to do that. What a day! Oh, sleepy day. Rainy day, sleepy day. Sanya, did I sleep enough in Belgrade? Well, no. And then I went home, so I came late at night. We went in Belgrade, we went after party, so we went to the disco. So yeah, it was good actually, but now I'm sleepy, yeah. Now I'm sleepy.
Almost as intense that time I forgot how to sit down. You know, outside, it's a yard work done, do my civic duty. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. So my therapist thinks I should spend more time in bed. Sure. I say this, you're being strong. Thank you. What are you talking about? I thought this was a woman's fantasy. Yeah, but this is sort of the opposite. Like if you threw a penis mommy and fish legs, then you'd be different. Yeah, but then I wouldn't have a penis. Well, but see, there you go. I just broke a huge hole in the project. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna have to now. Like you will be alone.
Super! Lasciatina! Tutto bene. Jo. Nič ne boli, vse sem povedal, da bomo brali. Gledali vmes. Skoro se zikirati. Boring. Like this market is the worst because it's so boring. Not even if I would have like the greatest setup ever. Good. Oh yeah. Oh, great. I've been using this strategy for the past 2 years, not full time because the main strategy I use when the market is right is something different, something more where you hold trades for longer. But so yeah, where you hold trades for longer, but this one is the only one that works in last 10-year data. So it's the most robust. What does it mean, right market? Right market means not this. Not this, but market from 2018, 17, 16, 19. So this is 2022. So you guys are really unlucky because you couldn't see this market. These markets were making money like with this. These were the best years to trade Forex. That's very visible. Shuto. Or wait. Okay, good. See this? See this? Those were everyday moves. See, this is like 200 pips per day. These are heavens for every trader. Okay, so right now we are catching 10 pips because market isn't giving us more. But back here, it only got all that it could do. In 2019 is not even the best. 2008 is better, but yeah. This is the definition of, for me, good market. 2019. Moves like that, then let's say double top, something like that. The good market is that it has enough volatility that every strategy works, but on the other end, it can be very profitable with it. So the market follows its own rules, you know. Like here we have we have this wave. Okay. So now we can have 2 or 3 things. We can have break below and we continue. Break above, we continue. The problem is market doesn't respond to this as much as it used to did. But that's why even for the robot and as a trader, you need constant upgrading. Nice rejection week, by the way. So you see this candle did make weak, so this candle made weak for this candle. So let's say market is not good since pandemic started. Yeah, exactly. Pandemic changed everything. I mean, everything. Volume wasn't kicking as much inside. Or let's say, you can say it like that, when the Trump stopped, stopped being president, everything went to shit. It was like the greatest because the economy moved when he was tweeting and stuff like that. So yeah, that's probably good enough. I'm not saying he's a good guy or anything, but just saying he had he did something that helped us traders make money. I think that's fair enough. That's why most traders loved him, you know. And most politicians didn't. So yeah, the JPY would be good trade if we hold it. Like 11 pips. But still impulsive, so no go. So yeah, let's see how this closes. And I think we'll finish early today. Since it's bank holiday. Tomorrow we have finally enough of volume. Finally, I mean, thank God for tomorrow. Here we. I really thank God for tomorrow. I hope we would start in April, like when every day was like in London, I did like 2% with 0.5% risk, and in New York, I did like 2%. So like it was 4% per day, 4% per fucking day. So yeah, I'm overall still profitable, and statistic still holds. I would need to lose like 100 trades now negative, so that statistic would turn. So I would have like 60% win ratio. But if I take like 1,000%, 1,000 trades in history, I still have 82% win ratio. And RR risk rewards are great. So yeah. Okay, dude, do something. Come on, move. Move. Um, what? Yeah, every trade that I would took, so depending on the hours and the entries and the rules, I take everything in statistic, because what is statistic if you take only stuffs that you like, you know? So yeah, maybe this can close above. Let's see, maybe this can close above. Maybe we can get nice drive for 10 pips. I don't want to quit too early today, because when you don't have an entry like for 2 hours, then the next 1 hour or 4 hour candle can give you your entry. And then you're like, what? And I quit it, and you're, ah. And then this happens so many times that you, like in this morning, sorry guys. Like this morning I did the GPY. And I trade until 10:15. This is the last trade I will take. Then I go and take, I eat and everything, because I believe the most of the volume went through, you know. But yeah, the most of the volume went through. But 15 minutes later, there was an entry and a take profit. So yeah, but I don't count those in statistic, because they're not in my trading journal. My trading plan, they're not inside. Yeah. Same again, stuff again. Now, especially this is important, because we need to get this week back, because if not, we have 4-hour closing in a few seconds. And if 4-hour closes without this one, without week, the 4-hour can do this. And I don't want that. Yeah. Guys, statistic in Forex is everything. If you have good statistic, if you can count good statistic, then you will win. If not, probably suffer. Okay, let's see today, maybe we can even fill this up. One of the problems I have here is this and this choppy market. The only problem, yeah, my only problem is choppy market whole month. So this is only problem. Whee! Never. Yeah, nothing happened. Oops. Yeah, now it's flying. Now it's flying. So yeah, entry above here. So yeah, Miha, if you're still holding 6 pips. Cool. Beautiful, congratulations. Beautiful. Good. Yeah. Okay, guys, we have here a big rejection. So, like 750 rejection, meaning we will probably not close above. I will wait for this 50-man candle glow because here we don't have anything. Also here we don't have down wick, meaning we'll probably have next 50-man candle to close above and we'll stay here. So I think I will finish this stream. If we don't have an entry or we are close to getting an entry in when this 5 minutes closes, I'll just finish it. I mean, don't want to waste too much of your time or my time, and I'm getting really sleepy, so I know my concentration is failing, so yeah. So when we will do this for Panther only user, we will give you, there will be more trades, we will trade we will catch trades like this because we'll be more impulsive, more aggressive. We will get more rules. But for now, I don't know who is the AP, let's say, who is from the AP, who is not, and who is in charge of their emotion and not. So that's why I want to protect you from you. And want to show you that by rules you can trade, and you clearly can, but sometimes the market just doesn't let you. So yeah, that's how it is. But tomorrow we can have like five wins or something like that. But yeah, euro 8% in May. Is 10%. So from 1 million account, when this month will end, I lost like 79K. Beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm ending stream. Thank you for coming. Sorry, it's really hard to concentrate right now. Like I said, market is moving, but not giving us any good entry. If it did give us good entry, it was this one, but it was impulsive, and I don't like when it is impulsive. So that's it. Thank you very much for following, very much for coming here. I'm working on some stuff behind the curtain. That's why I'm so tired currently, so that we can get better trades, because I know this style is not for everyone. So yeah, see you later. Bye.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading Forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.